Good morning, P4 students, and I would like to welcome you to our ICT lesson. You remember last time we ended on Msw Logo, and we were looking at several commands in Msw Logo, the commands that make us be able to move the turtle to the right, the number of steps to move it forward, and the number of steps, and then the right turn, which is represented by RT. Then we specify the angle. We spoke about that. We also spoke about some commands like pen up, pen down, pen erase, pen normal, hide turtle, show turtle, and later we looked at the repeat command. And today I've written this formula, which is used when you want to draw a closed shape, like a circle. If you want to draw a circle, a square, a pentagon, and whatever. And when we say repeat, you are repeating n representing the number of sides that your shape must have. Then FD, it means it's forward movement, then repeat 50. We just wanted to move 50 times. And then right turn. RT represents the turning. Then D, which I have here, is going to be representing 360 over the number of sides. You have to know that we need to turn it such that it becomes a complete circle or a complete shape. So if you say 360, which is a complete revolution, divided by the number of sides, then we will be able to have the shape that we want. Let me take, for example, if I want to draw a shape with 6 sides, isn't it? I'm going to use this same formula, repeat, and then N, meaning to say the number of sides. FD 50, RT, then D representing 360 over the number of sides. Is that okay, boys and girls? So this is what I want us to do today, and then we go on to another thing that I want you to know again. All right, boys and girls, I would like you to look at the software that I have with me here. And this is the logo software that I'm having here. And I have written F repeat 6, representing the number of sides. Then FD, the forward movement. RT, right turn, 60. We said the 60 is, we got it by saying 360 degrees divided by the number of sides. So I want a shape that has got 6 sides. So I'm going to say 360 over 60, isn't it? And let me execute to see what happens. So this is what happens. If I want my shape to be a little bit larger, I'm going to, remember we said clear screen, CS, and we can say clear text, CT, like that. If you want a larger, a one that is very big, I will try to write FD 100 like this. Then I execute. Can you see? This is a larger shape. Let's say I want to draw another shape. It's going to be difficult for me to draw a shape like a hexagon because this one is a hexagon, a hectagon, because 7 cannot get into 360. But I can draw a nonagon, a shape with 9 sides. Does 9 get into 360? Yes. So how many times? 9 into 36, 4 into 0 is 0. So it's 40 times. So I'm going to be able to draw it. Let me just quickly draw a shape with 9 sides. 9, then I will say forward 50. Then this one is going to be 360 divided by 9. I'm going to get a 40. So I'm going to execute. By the way, I had not cleared the screen. So let me first clear the screen, CS, like that. Then I want to draw this one. I said this is going to be 40 degrees here. and the number of sides is 9. Let's see what happens. Can you see? This is now my nonagon. So this is how we use the repeat function. Is that okay, boys and girls? The next thing that I want us to look at is pen colors and pen sizes, isn't it? So you can change the size and color of the pen of the turtle. This is done by using set pen size and set pen color commands respectively. So we're going to use set pen size and set pen color commands in our command window. Is that okay, boys and girls? If you go into your textbooks on page 73, you are going to see we can set pen size. How do we set it? We are going to write the following commands, isn't it? Here, num1 is the height and num2 is the width. So the first thing is we have to code the height and the width. The width means the thickness of the pen, which can be changed in pixels by using numeric values. The height has an insignificant effect on the pen. The height can be overruled by the FD or BK command, isn't it? So we are going to draw the following. I'm going to put FD 40, isn't it? Then we say set pen size, then we put in parentheses 5 and another one 5, isn't it? We have set the pen size. Then we want now to right turn it, right turn 90 degrees and forward, we make it move forward 40 degrees, 40 spaces, right? You can see this is how it is like now, isn't it? So the two numeric values given with the set pen size command are generally kept the same. However, Msw Logo uses the value for the width only. It uses the value for the width, which is the second one, which is 5. Usually we keep them the same, isn't it? How to change pen size using the menu bar. We can also change the pen size using the menu bar. What we do is we go on to click on the menu, set menu. Where is it? This one. And then we pen size option, pen size. Then we click on which the size that we want, the size of our pen, isn't it? Right. The other thing that we can do is we can set the pen color, isn't it? I want to say, can I just check whether I've already set it? I'm going to say FD 90. Let me see. Can you see I've already changed the pen size using the menu bar over there, isn't it? But we can also set the pen color. This command is used to give the ink color to the pen of the turtle. Logo uses the 3 primary colors, which are red, blue, and green in different combinations. These combinations will give colors to the pen. Each of these 3 colors has got a number range of 0 to 255. Some of the combinations are already made for you. The combinations that have been made are set pen color. 0000 is for black. 255 is for white, and so forth. Usually colors in programming have got codes, isn't it? So let me check and let me say set, let me write set color. Then I put the triples. I don't want to use now the black that is already there. Let me go and use the, which color? Red color. 255 and like this. I want to set this color like to be like this, and then I want to Oh, by the way, the problem that happened is that I didn't put a what? I didn't put a space in there, isn't it? So I must put a space between these two and then check whether it will accept it. I don't know how to set pen color. Oh, I didn't write the correct spelling. Look at it. Set pen like this, and then I put the space. This is programming. You need to be very, very careful. So this is how I set the pen color. I've already set it. So if I set pen color, then I set size, set pen size, set pen size. We remember we said we are going to put the parentheses like this, and we're going to say for we want it to be a little bit smaller. Then I want it to move some steps forward. What should I do? Let me go and say FD. Let me say FD 50 again. Then I leave it like that. Not here. Let me say FD something after I have put the set pen size command. Then let me say now FD 90, or let me say left 10. First, let it 10 to the left 10, 90, isn't it? LT, let me put space there, like that. It is now 10 to left. Then I want to say forward movement 100, like this. Can you see? This is the color red. It has changed the color to be red. We can set the color using the different colors that we have over there. Thank you very much. I hope you have enjoyed the lesson, and you have learned about how to set color, how to set the pen color, and how to set the pen size, isn't it? Thank you very much, boys and girls. Have a good day. Goodbye.